Are you planning to apply for a UK visa soon? Before you hit that submit button, stop. These are the most common mistakes that get applications refused, and most people don't even realize they're making them. Today, I am breaking down exactly what to avoid so you can increase your chances of UK visa approval. First up, one of the biggest reasons for refusal is inconsistent financial records. If your bank account suddenly jumps from 50,000 naira to 2 million naira the week before your application, that's a huge red flag for the visa officer. They'll immediately wonder where that money came from. This is called funds parking. And it's a classic reason for denial. They're looking for a consistent financial history, not a last-minute miracle. So, what do they check for? Unexplained large deposits are a major issue. If you can't prove where a big chunk of cash came from, they'll assume it's borrowed just for the application. Another problem is when your salary doesn't match what your employment letter states. If your letter says you earn 500,000 a month, but only 200,000 is coming into your account, it creates doubt. Also, if you're using multiple bank accounts, you need to provide a clear explanation and statements for all of them. Don't just pick the one with the most money. Always make sure your financial documents tells a clear, believable story of your financial situation over time. Now, let's talk about something serious, submitting fake or edited documents. I know times can be tough, but trust me, the UK visa office is tougher. They have sophisticated ways to verify everything. Fake bank statements, doctored employment letters, or forged invitation letters, they catch everything. The consequences are severe. It's not just a refusal. You could face a 10-year ban from entering the UK. That means no holidays, no business trips, no family visits for a decade. It's simply not worth the risk. It's always better to take the time to build your documents properly and honestly than to take a shortcut that could ruin your future travel plans. Next mistake, applying for the wrong visa category. This is surprisingly common. Many people apply for a standard visitor's visa when their real intention is to join a partner, study, or even look for work opportunities. The UK government takes your stated intention very seriously. Each visa category has specific requirements and is designed for a specific purpose. If a visa officer suspects your true intentions are different from what you have declared on your application, it's an automatic refusal. For instance, if you say you're a tourist but your bank statements show you've just quit your job and sold your car, it looks like you don't plan to return. If your purpose and your documents don't match, your application will be denied instantly. Be honest about why you want to go. Another crucial point is showing poor ties to your home country. The visa officer's main job is to ensure that visitors will leave the UK at the end of their stay. They need to be convinced that you have strong reasons to return home. What are weak ties? Having a weak travel history or no travel history at all, no stable job, no property or significant assets in your name, and no clear family responsibilities can all raise doubts. They might think you are more likely to overstay your visa. So, how do you strengthen your ties? Provide a letter from your employer confirming your leave and your expected return date. Include documents for any property you own, business registration documents, or proof of significant investments, mentioning family responsibilities, like caring for elderly parents or children in school, can also help build a stronger case. Let's move on to incomplete or rushed information. Some people fill out their UK visa form like they are signing up for a new app, just rushing through the questions. This is a huge mistake. The application form is a legal document. One missing detail, one wrong date, or one inconsistent answer can cost you the entire application. For example, if you state your monthly salary is one figure on the form, but your payslips show another, that's a problem. If you forget to declare a previous visa refusal from another country, they will find out, and it will damage your credibility. Take your time, double-check, and even triple-check every single piece of information before you submit. Finally, let's touch on interview mistakes. For visa categories that require an interview, like spouse visas or sometimes visitor visas, many applicants fail simply because they panic. Common mistakes include over-explaining things and giving long confusing answers that go off topic. Another big one is contradicting the information you provided. In your written application, the interviewer has all your documents in front of them. If your verbal answers don't align with what you wrote, it's an immediate red flag. The key is to stay calm and be prepared. Practice giving simple, honest, and direct answers to potential questions. Know your application inside and out. So, if you're planning to apply for a UK visa, avoid these common mistakes. Focus on making your application clean, consistent, and completely honest. Want me to make a video breaking down exactly how to present your financial documents for the best chance of success? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips.